Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Recipe Keeper Cookn app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Recipe Keeper, also known as Cookn, is a recipe organization app designed to help home cooks and food lovers store, manage, and share recipes in one place. The app allows you to import recipes from websites, add your own custom recipes, and organize them into categories. It also supports meal planning, grocery list creation, and syncing across devices so you can access your recipes anytime. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean design, ease of importing recipes directly from the web, and the ability to scale serving sizes automatically. The built-in meal planner and grocery list generator make it a practical tool for daily cooking, and the cross-device sync is a highlight for those who want their recipes available everywhere. Many also enjoy that the app allows printing and sharing recipes with friends and family. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While the free version is functional, some of the best features, like unlimited recipe imports, cloud sync, and advanced meal planning, require a paid upgrade. There are occasional complaints about the interface feeling dated compared to newer cooking apps, and some users note issues with recipe formatting when importing from certain websites. In addition, the premium subscription may feel costly for casual users who only need basic recipe storage. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Recipe Keeper Cookn app may be worth using if you're someone who loves organizing recipes, meal planning, and having everything in one digital cookbook. It shines in importing, organizing, and syncing recipes across devices. However, if you're not looking to pay for premium features or only need a simple recipe notebook, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.